Welcome to the breathtaking Dehena Falls. This extremely beautiful Dehena Falls originates from Dehena Kanda. Dehenakanda refers to the region around Dehenakanda, a small settlement in Sabaragamuwa province of Sri Lanka. Located approximately 30 kilometers northeast of Ratnapura at an elevation of around 662 meters. The Pandyoya, which originates from the majestic Dehena mountain, flows gracefully through the lush landscapes and gives rise to the beautiful Madanak falls. As it continues its journey, this stream becomes the Sabaragamuwa river. One of the most captivating features along this watercourse is the Dehena Falls, formed by the cascading waters of the Sabaragamuwa river. It is from this connection to Dehena mountain that the waterfall receives its name, Dehena Falls. Dehena Falls, also known as Dehena Kanda, is a stunning natural waterfall located in the Ratnapura district of Sri Lanka. nestled along the Ratnapura Vevelapta road. This waterfall lies near the boundary between the villages of Sabaragama and Amruthan. Its convenient roadside location makes it easily accessible, attracting both locals and tourists alike. Surrounded by lush greenery and misty hills, Dehena Falls offers a serene and picturesque escape into nature. This waterfall is standing at approximately 73 meters, 240 feet high, creates a truly charming sight, a precious gift from Mother Nature to Sri Lanka. Come and experience its beauty, and don't forget to subscribe us. Thanks for watching. Catch you in another awesome video.